Welcome to the Habib Digital Institute, where we address why most people stay broke despite having AI skills and how we teach you to fix it fast. The harsh truth is, AI is not a magic bullet, it is just a faster engine. Most people focus on the how and ignore the why. At HDI, we bridge the gap between skill and income. The problem is using AI without a market-driven purpose. Everyone is rushing into AI thinking it is a shortcut to wealth. However, rushing without a map leads to a dead end. Our core insight is that direction matters more than speed in the AI economy. Tools never create income, they only amplify your ability to solve problems. Learning tools focus on how and stay in the expense column, while solving problems focuses on why, builds value, and moves into the income column. Real-world problems pay the bills, not tools. The missing link is market relevance. Skill alone is a commodity. A skill connected to a real market problem creates income. Our focus at HDI is to stop building skills in a vacuum and target the profit zone where human pain meets AI capability. The execution gap separates learning mode, endless tutorials and tool mastery, from execution mode, solving real problems and generating income. Most beginners fail by staying in, quote, learning mode forever. We help you transition to a solution provider. The market doesn't reward AI knowledge or certifications. It rewards attention, solutions, and results. Your value is measured by the time you save others or the money you make them. The passive path leads to the AI consumer who consumes endless content and learns prompts without purpose, resulting in zero ROI. The HDI path creates the AI problem solver who identifies pain points, builds solutions that save time, and gets paid for delivering results, leading to scalable income. The trap of useless skills is ignoring the who has the problem. If you do not choose a problem first, you are just playing with tech. The strategy is to identify the victim before you build the hero. The HDI Real Income Model offers practical ways to use AI for scalable income. This includes content creation, digital services, and system solving. Our goal is scalable income through repeatable AI solutions. The HDI shift principle pivots from the amateur question, what AI tool should I learn next? To the professional question, what problem can I solve with AI right now? This simple shift changes your financial trajectory from chasing tools to chasing solutions. The turning point is realizing that once you identify a problem, you only need one solution that works. One high-ticket service. The struggle ends, and the business begins, transforming you from a learner to a leader. The HDI execution rule is clear. Learning builds knowledge, the foundation. Execution builds income, the result. The market rewards action, not potential, as knowledge without action is a burden. The HDI 7-day execution system guides you. Days 1 to 2 are to identify a high-friction market problem. Days 3 to 4 are to build a minimum viable solution, focusing on speed and utility. Days 5 to 7 are to sell, test your solution, and close your first deal. The biggest mistake to avoid is returning to learning mode after failure. The trap is seeking another course. The HDI way is to pivot your execution and stay in the arena. Don't restart your education, improve your execution. Your final directive is to stop chasing the next AI hype and focus on solving one real problem. This is the only guaranteed path to financial freedom in the AI era. Become the solution the market is waiting for through execution over education. At Habib Digital Institute, our core principle is clear. The goal is not to learn AI. The goal is to use AI to solve problems people already pay for. Join the arena and start your 7-day execution.